How to fix Wi-Fi disconnects frequently on Windows 11. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi disconnects frequently on Windows 11, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your search and search for view network connections. And here you will have your Wi-Fi network, right? You just need simply click on it, right click on that, go with properties. And under properties, you need to go with configure. And once you're under the configure, you'll have power management. Click on power management and make sure to click on allow computer to turn off this device to save power. Just unclick on that and then go with OK. And after that, you can go with your Wi-Fi and it will connect. But if it doesn't, then you just need simply go with your Wi-Fi, right click on it, or just simply enlarge it. And here you need to right click on it, go with the properties option. And under properties, if you have the private and public network option, you just need simply click on private network and again click on the public network and again unclick on it, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you just need simply go back and right click on that again, go with properties, and now under properties, you need to go with configure and go with the advanced section. Under advanced, here you need to select the second option and go with disable and click on OK. And after that, you need to simply search for services, open up your services, and under services, you need to simply click on any service and then press W on your keyboard and scroll down, and here you need to simply search for a service which is WLAN AutoConfig. Just right click on it, go with properties and go with the startup type and select as automatic. Once you've selected automatic, you need to go with apply and OK, and after that restart your device, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix Wi-Fi disconnect frequently on Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.